importance of STEM, science, technology, engineering, education, math, and how it shapes our future.
To give this box to my friend and should go to the library. Oh no, this box is so heavy. I really need some help right now.
Need assistance in heavy lifting? Industrial robot at your service.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't lift this on my own. Are you an industrial robot? Will you be able to lift this box?
Yes, I am built for tasks like lifting, welding, and assembly.
I still have no idea where I am. It would be great if I could get a view from above.
Hello, I am your teacher assistant. May I help you direction?
Yes, can you tell me where the library is?
The library is 2 blocks long. Please follow my path.
Thank you so much. Those like you are amazing.
Happy to help. We drones also assist with surveillance, mapping, and even delivering packages.
Ouch! I think I might need some help with this food.
This robot can assist. Do you need any help?
Yes, I hurt my toe. Can you check if it's okay?
I am a trained robot. Please hold still.
Thank you. Robots like you must be so helpful in hospitals.
Mental robot assists in surgeries, carry medicine, and monitor patients.
I am very thirsty. Need some water. I wish someone could help me with this.
Service robot here to assist. Do you need any help?
Yes, please. Can you get me some water?
Yes, I will bring for you.
Thanks, service robot. You're a lifesaver.
Welcome. We service robot help teenagers like healthcare, hospitality, and home maintenance.
Today, I encountered so many amazing robots.